Today I'll be showing you how to combine two columns in Excel. Open up your MS Excel in your PC. To merge a data from this column and this column, we'll be merging from this column here and this column. You first create an empty data, an empty column on an empty data. Then you enter the following. In the empty data, you enter equals to concatenate, then open brackets, enter the first column A2, that's the Felicia column A2, then a comma and a quotation space, quotation again, then a comma, and you enter the last colon B2. Now you close bracket and you press the enter key. So as you can see, it has combined the first column and the second column. You also repeat the same steps for all other columns. Let's try repeating that for this one. Equal to concatenate, open brackets, first column, now the third column will be A3, a comma, a quotation space, a space, a quotation again, a comma, the last column B3, a close bracket and enter key. You can see it is applied to these two. So you apply these functions to all other columns. Now you have successfully combined two columns in your Excel. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more useful tips like this. Bye.